If you're trying to build high-converting landing pages, you've probably come across both. But which one actually delivers? Stick around because there are some surprising differences that could save or cost you a lot of time and money. And at the end, I'll share an even better alternative with an exclusive free trial just for our viewers. First, let's talk about ease of use. Instapage is known for its clean, drag-and-drop editor, making it simple to design landing pages without any coding. But that ease comes at a price. It's not the most beginner-friendly when it comes to actually optimizing your pages. Landingi, on the other hand, is a bit more structured. The editor feels slightly more restrictive, but that's not necessarily a bad thing if you prefer guided design. However, both can feel clunky at times, especially if you're used to modern page builders. Next, pricing. Instapage is significantly more expensive. Their plans start at a much higher rate compared to Landingi, making it a tough choice for small businesses or solopreneurs. Landingi is more affordable, but that lower price means fewer advanced features. So, if budget is your main concern, Landingi wins here. But if you need premium tools, Instapage might justify the higher cost, though only if you actually use those advanced features. Then, integrations. Both platforms support major marketing tools like Zapier, MailChimp, and Google Analytics. But Instapage goes a step further with direct integrations for Google Ads and heat maps, which can be crucial for serious marketers. Landingi covers the basics, but it doesn't go as deep. So if integrations matter to you, Instapage has the edge, but again, at a higher price. Performance and speed. Instapage is designed for enterprise-level optimization, and its landing pages load incredibly fast, which is crucial for conversions. Landingi's performance is solid, but not quite on the same level. If speed is a top priority, Instapage wins. But is the difference noticeable enough to justify the extra cost? For most users, probably not. Now, templates and design flexibility. Instapage has sleek, modern templates, but customization is where things get frustrating. Some elements feel locked in place, and making small design tweaks can be more complicated than it should be. Landingi offers a good variety of templates too, but they tend to look a bit more basic. The good news? They're easy to edit. So if you want maximum control, Landingi might actually be better. Both platforms have their pros and cons, and either one can get the job done. But after trying all of them myself, I found a better alternative that offers even more flexibility, better pricing, and a smoother experience. If you want the best landing page software for your needs, check out the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.